What's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Anline TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr., and welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, guys, I do have to say, please subscribe. It would really help me out. I would like to see the support. It's really like 95% of people that don't subscribe and only 5% that actually are subscribed. So don't be part of that 95. Show me that love. Hit that subscribe button. And then before I have to begin, I do have to say that this video is sponsored by Anline, baby. Check out my brand. Go to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at NLMNYC. And if you're interested in supporting even more, take that extra mile. Get fly, get drippy, like really drippy. Go to my website, nlmnyc.com. Now, guys, without further ado, this video is the review of the Yeezy 450, the Resin colorway. I know 2 years later, 2 years late. I know, guys, I do apologize, but I have just been super busy with other projects. But I'm here reviewing it, and we're here now. Apologize, I've been gone for 2 months. I've been MIA. My grandfather passed, so I went to El Salvador, and for like a month. And when I came back, I had to pretty much make up all my projects. I had to make up all that month in another month, and now we're here. We're here, baby. Yeezy 450 box, similar to the other boxes, but it's just slimmer. Top 450. Yeezy keeps it consistent. I am reviewing this also because we had the Yeezy day the other day. So let me just remove the shoes, and boom. Boom. So I am wearing a green color, and there's an olive green color, and there's a dark olive green color. So you guys can see that is way darker than this. This is like a creamy olive color, but in the camera, they look a lot lighter in the video. They're a bit darker in person. So when you guys see this in person, maybe it's just the lights right now, the way it's hitting it, but they look very bright on video. But here are the shoes, and I do have to say it is a beautiful shoe. Very lovely. I love it. I don't know about you guys, but I love this shoe just because it's so unique. It's so interesting to me. And yeah, where do we begin? Let's begin with the bottom, the outsole. The outsole we got like this rubber material. Even though I love the design of the shoe, I do not like the comfort wise of the shoe. Maybe for someone that is thinner, but if you are a heavier person like me, I don't think this shoe is for you unless you're like one of those big people and have like thin feet. Like, I think you'll be good. But if you got wide feet, yeah, you gotta go like a whole size up. And if you're interested and you got regular feet, just get your regular Yeezy size, which also in general Yeezys do run small. So I'm like a size 10.5, and these are 10.5, but I wish I had these in an 11 or 11.5, maybe 11, because then it would be too big on the toe box area. So I think an 11, a whole size up. But these are just fire in my opinion. The top of the shoe is just like that sock material, that knit material. It's so interesting how they make the shoe, how they put it together. This shoe was made in Germany. So we see here Yeezy 50 Resin, original made in Germany. Size 10.5, the UK is 10. And then it says F, 44 and 2/3. But yeah, guys, and only comes with one pair of laces, and then we see right there the rope laces right there. These shoes in general, they remind me of crocodiles. Like the shoe lids are like the eyes, and then like the size is like the teeth. But I don't know, that's just my opinion. these shoes are just so fire, honestly. Like, I want to get them in a bigger size, or maybe I just need to use like thinner socks or something. Cause they're just super tight. I honestly, I can't wear them. You know, if I do wear them, I probably have to take off the laces. Like, it's just too much for me. So I might have to like let go of these, unfortunately. Makes me sad, but I don't know. I feel like also like when you walk with them, they don't really feel comfortable. They kind of feel like cheap sandals. Like, I don't know. That's just my opinion. I don't think these shoes are comfortable at all. Like, I think maybe if you wear thick socks, like, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out a way that these are comfortable, but like, look at the midsole. Like it's not that like big. Like, it's chunky and stuff, but like it's not that big. Like the midsole, like, come on guys, like it's just like a flat. It's like flat shoe. Like, you don't even see like the curvature of the. I forgot what that's called. When you say that it's like not flat-footed or whatever. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments how you feel about this shoe. Let me know if you got this shoe. Let me know if you want to get this shoe. Like, this shoe is fire for me. Like, I just keep complaining about it, but like, bro, like, this shit is just so fire. Like, I think I just want it in a size 11 and I'll be happy. Or again, a thinner sock. But thank you guys so much for stopping by. Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC. And if you want to cop some merch, get drippy, get fly, go to my website, LMNYC.com. Thank you once again. Until the next one. Deuces.